listening to Bambie Sounds.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. My love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them. Forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never loved, but my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two,
and that was New Rules by Dua Lipa. Next up is the one, the only, Baby Shark by Pink Fong.
Save that last save that once. It's the end it's the end it's the end it's the end.
And that was Baby Shark by Pink Fong. And we have a caller on the line who would like to recommend a song. Hello, what is your name, caller?
Hello, thank you. My name's Andy. Great show, by the way. I'm loving it. I'm bouncing around the house with some of my best dad moves. And yeah, I'd like to request a song. Can I have What a Beautiful Day by the Levelers, please?
Yes, you can definitely have that. We'll just put it on now. Thank you for recommending. Bye.
What a beautiful day. I'm the king of all time. And nothing is impossible in my all-powerful mind. It was on the 5th of November when time went back. Well, some say that that's impossible, but you and I would never look back. And wasn't it incredible? So beautiful and above all, just to see the fuse get lit this time, to light a real bonfire for all time. And what a beautiful day.
was very nice for Andy to call in on our show, and let's hope he was dad dancing around the house even more. And now we have some live music here in our studio. Could you please put your hands together for the Cotton Pickers?
Hi,
Hey!
Your name is?
I'm Ken.
And what instrument will you be
I
playing?
play the mandolin.
Okay, and your name?
I'm Pam.
And what will you be playing?
I'll be playing the fiddle.
It looks a lot like a violin.
It looks very much like a violin. It depends which part of the world it comes from as to whether it's a fiddle or a violin.
Got it. So, what song will you be playing for us today?
Well,
We'll be playing the Spotted Pony.
Yep, it's an old time tune, old American time tune.
And, well, I'm sure I'll be bouncing around, so let's just get started.
Okay then.
Wow, that was amazing! I'm sure everyone loved that. Now, I heard you saying before you came into the studio that you would like to recommend a song. So, Ken, what would you like to recommend?
I'd like to request Bob Dylan's Like a Rolling Stone. It's my favourite song of all time.
Okay, and Pam?
Well, I really like Yellow Taxicab by Joni Mitchell, please.
And before we play those fabulous songs, I'd just like to say, if you like watching things on YouTube and what you just heard, you can hear more of that if you type in Rock Crazy Ken.
Well, thank you, Bambie, for inviting us on. It's been a pleasure playing for you.
Yes, thank you very much indeed, Bambi. Lovely to meet you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. It was lovely to meet you too. Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Hope I see you again.
Thank you.
Yo!
Once upon a time you dressed so fine, threw the bumps of dime in your prime. Then people call, say beware doll, you're bound to fall. You thought they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home? Like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone.
The paved paradise, put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? The paved paradise, put up a parking lot. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum. And they charge the people $1.50 just to see 'em. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They paved paradise, put up a parking lot. Hey, farmer, farmer, put away the DDT now. Give me spots on my apples, or leave me the birds and the bees. Please don't it always that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. The cave's paradise, put up a parking lot.